it's important for you to find out what really matters when it comes to achieving your goals, your dreams, and desires. What actions actually lead to the result that you want? Because if you're focused on multiple different things, trying to figure out how to get to that particular goal, it can create a lot of distraction and you're being pulled in a bunch of different directions. Whereas if you find out what actually leads to the money that you want, the happiness that you want, the joy that you want, the body that you want, and you cut out everything else, now your mind can focus on these things and achieve those goals much quicker and much faster. And so a lot of success is about elimination, about eliminating the things that stop you from getting where you want to be. When you can eliminate and clearly define those action steps that lead to success, it will create more happiness and more joy and a more productive mind. A lot of us are struggling with overwhelm and we are stuck in our heads trying to figure out what steps we need to take to, achieve success. Or some of us are just randomly being like a hamster on a wheel, doing random things, thinking it's going to lead to more success. And if you're more creative, chances are you do this a lot. And so you want to learn how to move from being a hunter, which is like a mindset of random creativeness, to a more sustainable mindset, which is a farmer who follows particular rituals, which leads to the grass growing and the flowers growing and the fruits and the vegetables growing. You want to develop systems so that you're planting the seeds that lead to fresh fruits and vegetables, meaning more success, more happiness, more money, right? So that needs to be defined by you. You need to clearly understand what it is that you need to do every day to lead to that level of success that you want. But also, you want to go ahead and kind of figure out what it is that's going to make you achieve a high level of success over time. So you want to find out how you can be consistent as well. Because with a lack of consistency, you're not going to be able to be sustainable over the long run, and then you're going to procrastinate and give up. So what you have to do is you have to find goals that you know you can do, or you need to also step into your fears. Okay, so sometimes when it comes to those activities that lead to more success, it's usually the things that you're afraid to do, like making the calls or going out and networking, doing the things that you're afraid to do that you're procrastinating on. And so you need to identify what the blocks are with that. Okay, why am I not doing those particular activities? Okay, and question your mind, question yourself, and figure out, okay, what's going on here? Why am I not doing these particular activities that lead to success? Whether it's starting on social media, making the calls, going to the networking, meeting the people, doing the spreadsheets or whatever it is. Why are you not doing those particular things? And usually there's blocks behind it. There's subconscious patterns behind it stopping you. And I call them personality traits. I call them identity traits. And these can be easily shifted. These can be shifted to you being the type of person. I used to struggle with following schedules. I used to struggle with planning my day. I used to struggle with having structure in my life. And so what I did is I done some neutrality shifting on myself, and I shifted myself into the type of person that would just take action on those particular things so that I could have the success that I want. Because I worked out that my day is just all over the place, and that's why I'm not seeing consistent results in my business and in my life. And so I had to change that about myself and adapt my mind and my emotions to lead me to more success. Okay, so if you want help with doing that and being more productive and doing those things that you know you should be doing but you're not doing, then I would love to help you. We do have coaching available. There'll be a link in the description where you can find out how you can get an assessment to find out what's going on subconsciously with you, and then you'll be able to work out whether or not you're fit for coaching. So there'll be a link in the description which you can check out. Be sure to comment below an affirmation or normation and continually reprogram your subconscious mind. And remember to keep learning, keep growing, keep expanding, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.